So what are you doing, Nino? Early in the morning. Look at him. He's just ready to go. I don't know where. Good morning, guys. It is cold in Florida. It is never cold. It was 90 degrees during Thanksgiving, Christmas, everything. And now, middle of January, it has been freezing. Well, freezing for us at least, for the last like week or two. And when I say cold, I say like 50s, 60s. But yesterday, it was in the 40s. And that is cold. So, you know us, we don't know how to act. We should right away, we're gonna go and buy coats. Like today, it's cold, but it's not that cold. Let me see what it is today. But, you know, we right away go, you know, had a little fur coat, a little, from Baby Gap. But today, it is 59. It's not that bad today, and it's gonna go up to 72. So it's starting to get warmer, but it was really cold for a couple days there. But yeah, we are just getting the day started. You already know I made pancakes, and you know, these boys, all they want is pancakes. But it is laundry day, so I know we still don't have a washer and dryer. Honestly, I don't even know. Like, I want to get one, but for the convenience. But I mean, I don't know. It's not really a bothersome to me to go to a laundromat. I get it done faster, which is what I like. I do one load of colors, one load of whites. Boom, I'm done. Are we the hat crew?
Yes, we are.
Apparently,
What's
we
up,
both got the
everyone?
memo.
You know, another beautiful day out here in West Palm Beach, Florida, you know.
Wait, I don't think they know that we have
Enjoying
a different car. You gotta tell them what happened with the car.
So, yeah, we're in a rental right now because Masiel wrecked our car.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
It wasn't my fault. They hit me in the back. And I guess where they hit, like, the car got totaled. It's like no repair. Well, you can repair it, but it's like totaled. So thank God for insurance.
Yeah, so we're looking for a Tahoe, not the new one. I don't really like the new model. I like the one the year before, and this one that's out now. So yeah, we're just looking for a Tahoe, a bigger car, because obviously, you know, we want to have more kids one day.
And we're just big people.
Maybe, like, maybe 3 more kids.
3? The hell?
Nah.
I didn't get that memo.
Maybe like 2 more.
But
I think 2 would be good, right?
I think 2 would be good. We'll see. We'll see how it is when we have another kid one day, and then we'll be like, can we add 1 more?
I think we gotta wait till Nino is like, he able to easily comprehend stuff, yes, no, and you know, he's a little more calm.
Yeah. And then have another kid. Because Nino, oh my God, Nino is Mr. Take up all of our time.
Yes, he really does. He's a handful, so
but
we gotta wait on that one.
Yeah, so
hopefully our next kid ain't like that. That way we can have them back to back.
Hopefully our next child is more calm. But you know what? Nino is just, he's his own person. He has his personality. He's active, as you can see.
Yeah, he loves the minions.
Minions overload, bro. For the last like week, everything has been minions.
Say it, Nino. Minions.
Nino, you gonna say it? Say minion. Minion. Yeah, so we are on our way to the shop right now. It is laundry day, and so you already know, gotta wash these clothes, and then I gotta get soap.
Mama. You have it over there, right?
I'm not buying that soap from there. I'm gonna get my soap because they are really expensive with their soap. They'll sell like a little box like this of soap for $5. That's not even good enough for a load.
Nino loves feeding the birds. Go get it, Nino. Get it. Get the bread. Throw it. Throw it to the birds. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it, Bobby. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Now throw it to the bird. Throw it. Good. Ah, great. No, no, leave it. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Take a piece. Get a piece. There you go. Now throw it. Throw it, throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Nino, throw the bread, Nino. Come here, Bobby, come here. Come here. No, don't do that. Hold on to it, hold on to it. No. Hold on to it, hold on to it. No, no.
Oh, yeah. So we're back home and I got Nino down for a nap. He went down really easy, which was great. And now I'm making me some lunch, which I'm going to make this garlic chicken pasta. I got it from Costco, and let me just tell you guys, this is so freaking good. OMG. I got it yesterday and Nino loves it, which is great, but this is so good. I mean, so good. So I'm just gonna whip some up for me real quick, eat some lunch, and fold all the laundry that I just washed. And boom, there you go. It is so freaking good, so awesome. I'm about to tear it up in this little bowl right here. Look who decided to wake up. He slept for 2 hours, which is awesome. I did not fold the clothes. Social media took over and I didn't get anything done. Thank you. Are you done with your banana? Oh, you want me to peel it? Okay, hold on. Let's peel this. There you go. What do you say? You say thank you.
Thank you.
So we are here in downtown Atlantic Boulevard. We've been here what, once before, babe?
A few times.
A few times, and we're coming down because they opened a Urban Outfitters. So we are going to check it out to see what cool stuff they have. Is there a fashionista over here? Always looking for the next outfit. They don't have any kids stuff here. They don't sell kids in Urban Outfitters, do they, babe?
Where?
I'm saying, like, even online, they don't sell kids.
Oh, no, they don't.
Yeah, well, we're just, I guess, looking around that I have a gift card. Well, not even a gift card. It was a return that I did. And I just found they gave it to me on a gift card. I found it in my purse, so that's why we came. See what we can find.
Hey, hey.
Hey, it's Daddy.
Hey.
Oh, you're so good.
Hey.
Oh, okay. He's showing the store. Okay. Ooh, you see yourself? Look yourself. You're such a good recorder. Oh, who's that? All done? Okay, let's lay you back. Look up. Ooh. Lay back. Go meet me.
You do it like this.
I know. Oh, they're so cute right now. Thank God for Minions. So we just stopped here to eat at this Cuban restaurant. It's called Cabanas. So we're just trying to find out what to get on the menu.
As you can see, we're over here in Del Rey. Whenever you guys are visiting, I suggest you definitely come out to Del Rey. Come out to eat. It's like almost like South Beach feel, like South, like this ocean strip. It's pretty cool though. A bunch of restaurants behind me. Pretty nice. There's a lot of tourists out here too.
Nino crying.
Alright, gotta control this guy. It's in that London shop. She was teaching me how to color. That's
Mark thinks he was swole at one point. It's a lie. He's trying to find the picture that doesn't exist. Ooh!
when you met me.
Look at Nino. What happened?
When you met me. Well, I'm not met me, but when you see me the second time after you came back from DR, what did you say?
You were swole.
That's right. And what?
And sexy.
That's right.
How would you rate that food? Out of a 10.
Well, my dish, I didn't really like it. I don't eat like wet rice and chicken.
Wet.
It was like wet. I don't know. It's not my style. I guess it's like, that's probably like, that is drool.
I don't know.
That's how cold it is.
We'll replay that to see if it's drool. Hold on, we can't cross. Oh, yes, we can. Cross.
That's more of like some Peruvian type style, something like that, you know?
Yeah.
But Nino's rice and beans and skirt steak was pretty
bomb. Nino's skirt steak, we were tearing up his food. It was so good. We were loving it.
He had the chimichurri sauce in there.
Yeah, everything. It was good.
It was good though.
And Nino, how did you enjoy your food? You liked it with your little water? Yeah? Alright.
Alright guys, we're ending this vlog. Please subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. We are out.